Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, 'cause you're awesome. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday sa'yo. Lagi kang mag-iingat dyan. Miss ka na namin. At advance, Merry Christmas po sa inyo dyan.
Happy birthday, Lola Ellen. More birthdays to come. God bless you and Merry Christmas. Mag-iingat ka po palagi.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Bye na.
Bye.
Hello Lola! Happy 80th birthday po! Merry Christmas!
Lola Ellen, happy birthday po. Come on. Ingat ka po always. And sana po more birthday to come. At sana po magkita-kita na tayo. We love you so much. Si Tommy hahabol lang po. Nasa trabaho. Say, happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday to you. Wait, happy birthday to you, maybe.
Happy birthday, Lola! Ingat ka po dyan palagi. Sana lagi lang po kayong healthy dyan. Tapos sana lagi kayong masaya. Huwag ka pa problema dito sa amin. Okay lang kami. Bye-bye!
Hello Lola, Police Captain Kim Acosta here, wishing you a happy birthday. Stay safe and be healthy all the time. See you soon Lola, see you soon.
Happy birthday, Lola! Ingat ka dyan malagi! God bless!
Lola, happy birthday! Ingat ka palagi dyan. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year.
Happy 80th birthday, La! Ingat kayo dyan palagi.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Hi Lola! Happy birthday! Ingat ka palagi.
Lola, happy birthday po. Ingat ka dyan palagi. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year po.
Hela, happy birthday po.
Hi, Nay! Happy birthday po! Advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! Hoping for more birthdays to come and ingat po kayo. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Nanay. Miss you. Sana din po magbalik ka din dito. Ako po yung yung team namin po nanalo doon sa Cub Scout. Ako yung leader. Salamat po sa padala ng mga ni tita at tito.